eyes still pink in the sunset. You know I never wanna make you upset. How did I become so obsessed?
Hello, my name is Captain Dobby. Today I will show you how to download and install VirtualBox machine, and how to install Windows XP on this virtual machine, how to install Firefox and set up internet, and how to go into full screen mode. So first you need to do is go into this page, or link in video description, download VirtualBox version latest, but now is 6.1, and click Windows hosts, save. I've already done, so go into your installation folder. In my case it's desktop, so double click on the installation file, click next, click next, click next, click yes, install and choose yes. Wait. Uncheck this option, finish, and here you have your Oracle VirtualBox. Double click. This is old installation, so right click or left click here, but no, this is right click, and choose remove, delete all files. Now you need to install new virtual machine, Windows XP system, so click new, type your system name, and here you need to choose your version. This is my Windows is Windows XP 32-bit. Click next. Choose your RAM size, maybe 2 gigabytes enough. Create a virtual hard disk now, create, next, and choose fixed size or dynamically allocated. The first one is when the disk space runs out, system automatically increase it. In here, no. So I think better for me is the first option. Next, disk space maybe 20 gigabytes, and create. Now you need to click here and click settings, go into network options, network tab, and change from NAT to bridged adapter, and go into storage tab, click here, choose a disk file, and choose your system image, system CD image. This is ISO file, and click open. OK, and now you can click here start. Here choose your ISO file, start, and installation should be start. Yes, Windows setup, wait. You can go into BIOS setup. It's crazy virtual machine. Click enter to continue. Yes, I agree. Press F8. And now you can create another partition. So to do this, click C, create, and choose your partition size, maybe 2 gigabytes, 2048. Click enter, press enter, and now you have two partitions. But I don't need this one, so click D to delete and L to confirm. Click enter to install, choose this third one, not quick format, normal format, and not fat format. Setup is formatting, so I will speed up the video. Okay, now your system will reboot in 10, 9, 8. I'm joking, but I mean virtual machine system, not your your computer. Okay, don't click, just wait. And here we go, installing Windows system. So we need wait, but you see this is 39 minutes. In real it's maybe 5-10 minutes, so I will speed up this video. Okay, so now we have regional and language options. Just click next, type your name, but you type your name, next, and you need to type here your Windows CDK 25 character. Click next, computer name XD, D. Next, do you want? Yes, I want. Data time, your time zone, click next, and wait. Installing network. Typical settings, next. No, this computer is not on a network, or it's a network without a domain. We don't want a domain, this is not work. Next, and wait. I will speed the video a second time. Okay, system will reboot now. Don't press any key, don't press. Just wait. Click OK and click OK. It's beautiful. Click next. You can choose the first options. Help protect my PC. Click next. Wait, just wait. Then press no, choose no and click next. You can no, wait, back, here, click yes, and here choose no, not at this time. Choose your account name, click next, finish, and here we are. And now you can go into full screen mode, so view full screen mode, or press host. Host is right control and F, right control and F, and like you see, click right button, settings, and you we don't have HD resolution, so we need to exit full screen mode and choose devices, insert GUES addition CD image, left click, next, install, and wait. Okay, all drivers, graphics drivers, mouse drivers and over was installed, so now reboot your virtual machine. Wait. Okay, now you have, like you see, you have full screen mode. Just click view full screen mode, and we click right click, properties, settings, and you have your maximum resolutions. Only one left to do, it is internet, so we need turn off computer. Yes, turn off. Installing update. Okay, I will speed up, and now all you need to do is go into this page and download these two files, Pro, XP and Firefox setup 43, not 52, because this is a Polish version. Just click download. Then you need to go Windows XP, settings, choose shared folders, and you need to add new. This should be remove, add new folder, so click here, folder path in my case is desktop, select folder, OK. In my case desktop, because I have these two files in desktop. You can choose your own folder. Now you can start the system. And after this you need to go into my computer folder, choose tools in tabs, from tabs, and click map network drive. Here check reconnect at logon, and in here press // VBOX SRV and / and your path where you have these two files, so Pro and Firefox. In my case is desktop. Desktop, yes, and I click finish, and here you are. This is your main computer folder. Click, and this is my desktop. Drag this into your Windows XP system desktop, drag this and install this file. Wait, Intel Network Connection Install Wizard. Click Next, accept, Next, Next, install and wait. Copying new files and finish. And now you can go into you can run your Internet Explorer, go into maybe Google speak in Polish, google.com. OK. OK. No. Facebook. And this is a firewall problem. Continue. Wait. Continue and wait. Okay, this is crap. So Internet Explorer no longer works on old systems include Windows XP and virtual machine. So you need to download over Internet browser, click Next, Standard and install and wait. Just run and you have Facebook, facebook.com, gmail.com and it's work. View FullScreen Mode. So we have Windows XP installed on virtual machine, we have working internet, we have FullScreen mode. So if you like it, you can like this video, subscribe this channel and go into my Facebook profile, link in description. So have a nice day, have a nice night, goodbye.